Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Dishrack Adjuster Clip on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The Dishrack Adjuster Clip is part of the adjuster assembly, which supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If the adjuster clip breaks or is damaged, the upper dish rack may not be adequately supported and may not raise or lower properly. If you need to purchase a new Dishrack Adjuster Clip for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the dishwasher's door and pulling the upper rack forward. The adjuster clip is located here on the adjuster assembly. To remove, pinch the two tabs on the clip towards one another while pressing forward. If you need to purchase a new Dishrack Adjuster Clip, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the adjuster clip to the hole in the adjuster assembly and press until it snaps into place. Finally, slide the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.